Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how you can do edits like my edits. The app I will be using for this is called Sketchbook, and I will quickly go through it if you've never seen this before. And by the way, this is not sponsored by Sketchbook at all. So this removes the top and these are your layers. So right now we only have one layer. I'm going to quickly go through this and then tell you the basics so you can learn, so that when you download this app, I bought it, you don't have to buy it. This is free, I believe, on the App Store and Google Play. That's where I found it, even though this is my dad's old phone and I believe he had it before. Oops, we went into the wrong thing. These are the brushes. These are the colours. So that's Copic or Copic, I don't know how to say it. I just say Copic because that's what I think it says right here. And there's different designs apparently. Didn't know that. Don't really look that closely. And then this is a colour wheel, so you can choose your own colours, like mix them and stuff, which I do use a lot, but recently for my edits I haven't been using it a lot. I've just been using the tool which we will see here, the little eyedropper, which I'll tell you about in a minute. So let me just go into brushes. So there's loads of them. You'll experiment if you download this, different textures and stuff. But this little thing right here, this eyedrops. I don't really test out a lot of this stuff here because, you know. And you can also go backwards and forwards, so you can, if you made a mistake, you can go backwards. So yeah. Then here are all the tools like fill, which is what I use, text, I don't know, you could do, I've seen it. And then here we have import an image. So I'm going to quickly import two images, which I totally think you should do. Right, so I'm going to go onto my gallery and I'll be right back. So here is the picture that I chose. It's of my SSO character, and basically I got this cute pic of me with my blue eyes, my hair, and my favourite jumper. Well, it's not my favourite. And basically you can zoom in on this, so you can obviously zoom in and out. I go kind of detailed in, so yes, like this. Sorry if this camera, I'm filming on my mum's phone, so it's kind of weird, so yes, and I'm filming this on a tripod, which I don't really do. I'm going to teach you what I usually do, and then I'm going to go back into, so we're going to go into layers, and you'll see you have a second layer now, so you're going to make sure you're on that, and just do what I did. Don't do that. Then you want to go back into import image, and we're going to be taking a picture. Well, I'm not going to take a picture. I had seen this done before with this editor's edits. Now this, all credits go to Crystal Hawkley for this little makeup palette. Please go and check her out on Instagram. I'm not going to put the link because I don't really know how to. But basically there's a bunch of colours. I usually use Starshine and Tea a lot, but if I'm using eyeshadows I usually go for the bright colours. So you're going to click up here, and then we are going to go into this. Now I am using the Samsung Galaxy S4, so it has a S Pen. So basically I'm so used to doing this, not looking, I should really be looking at the screen and not at the tripod, because that's what I'm doing. Got to rearrange myself. This is kind of uncomfortable, but basically I'm going to go for wig first, because no, we're not, because we are actually going to go for tea. So go for tea, or you can just use any brown. Any brown will work. You don't have to. thing I'm doing. And then you're going to go into brushes and you're going to get your airbrush. Now, I love using the airbrush because you can get really nice coverage. And don't worry if you go too dark, because you can always cover it over the top with some. Yeah. I'm just going to do a little bit of detailing, and I usually always shadow and highlight the nose. It's a thing now. As you can tell, the nose looks pretty on point. I always, oops, sorry guys, didn't mean to do that. I forgot. Oh my god. This is moving. I'm sorry, this is not very professional. I wanted it to be like a professional video. This does not work. Sorry. Okay, so I will be back when I've done all the shadowing. I'm back and the shadows are done. Now we're going to move on to the highlights. But I just want to point out what I've done. I've, like, what the heck just happened? Okay, basically, here I highlighted here. I shadowed the lips so they're a little bit darker. Focus. And then you can see the nose right here. I did shadow the eyes. I shadowed the forehead a little bit. I'm just gonna quickly do a little bit more. Sorry that it keeps unfocusing. So if you go too dark, like this, don't worry, because make sure that it's actually a nice line. Sorry, this is. So I'm just going to quickly finish highlighting, shadowing. So basically it just gives the skin a little bit of different. So now, by the way, sorry if this is a little bit of a long video. I just wanted to show you guys how to do this. Then you're going to do the same, but we're actually going to do the highlights this time. So let's get that done with. So I'm going to quickly tell you guys what you do is you just highlight places that you think don't highlight. So as you can tell, the nose kind of looks realistic now, which I love. So yeah, I'm going to be back when I've highlighted everything. Okay, so I'm done with the highlights and the shadowing. I did actually go over the shadowing a little bit more because I kind of ruined it because it was a little bit too light. The nose I'm pretty proud of. If it would focus. What will focus? There is no such thing as. Okay, there we go. Still kind of blurry. Okay, so my phone is like not running out of battery because I've got it on the charger. That's why. And now we are going to choose makeups. So I'm thinking we do either. You just love not focusing. Right. So I'm thinking possibly green and this dark browny red. Garnet and Jorvik. So let us start with Jorvik. Now, basically you just cover the eyes, wherever else you want, lips, cheeks, wherever. She hasn't officially released cheeks or lips lips or cheek makeups yet. So if you were to, it would be creative, and all credits to the makeups go to her. Not my idea, just I've seen loads of people do like these, so yeah, here is the face so far. So I'm gonna just do this and I'll be right back. Bye. So here is my edit done. I know the eye makeup looks ugly, but it's cute, and I decided to add a little bit, sorry, I burped. A little bit of orange on the side. Ooh, basically I thought this would be cute. I love the shadowing and stuff, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Remember, if you make a edit for me, tag me on Instagram and I will like it, comment on it, and probably share it on my story. So yeah, and also I challenge you guys to try and recreate this edit. Can you do it? Let's see. Do the hashtag Eva's edit challenge on Instagram with your recreation of this edit. I will be posting this picture on my Instagram for everyone to see. And yeah, it's getting a bit orange over here because every time my phone goes. I'll remove that later. But I'm going to be doing the edits for some other people now. So, goodbye. Hope you enjoyed this video. Love yous.